right?
That's good, yeah.
You can use that one.
Yeah, maybe I'll tell my geometry teacher. He might like that.
Yeah. Here, I tell you what, I'm going to give you a few extra dollars, okay?
You don't have to do that.
No, it's okay, it's okay. All right, well, thank you for coming over.
Of course, Mr. Westman.
We really appreciate it. You're a great babysitter.
Thank you.
All right, well, have a good night.
All right, well, thank you.
What was so funny?
Oh, just a joke about calculus.
What was it?
No, it's horrible. It's just not worth telling.
Tell me.
All right. Two parallel lines have so much in common. It's a shame they'll never meet. You see, I told you.
Do you want a glass of wine? Because we came home early doesn't mean the party has to end.
No, I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna have some tea. I'm pretty tired.
What'd you think of the movie?
Oh, it's bad. Not worth staying as long as we did.
I would have been fine leaving.
Yeah? Well, why don't you say so?
I did. You didn't hear me?
No, I guess not.
I thought we could come home early and do what married folks do.
You mean married folks with a 4-year-old?
If that 4-year-old is fast asleep.
Oh, yeah. Tell you what, I'm just not feeling very good.
When did it start?
No, I'm not feeling sick. I'm just, I don't know, tired.
Well, maybe you don't have to do anything. Maybe I could do all this.
Oh, hey, sweetheart. Listen, I tell you what, I'm just going to get some tea, and then I'm going to go to sleep. That's it.
Okay.
Okay?
Do I not do it for you anymore? I know I've never been that kind of girl. I've never tried to be, but I can't keep trying and nothing.
No, you're fine.
I need this. I need this. We have to. It has been 10 months since your surgery, and the doctor said that that's more than enough time to start trying things out.
You don't recall that there was a psychological component that he talked about?
Some couples try after a few weeks. I read that online.
I guess the chemo must have really just messed with my sense of timing, right? Hey, do you want a chamomile or do you want a red zinger?
Chamomile. Dan, I know you're depressed, but I have feelings too.
Pardon me if I don't drop any tears.
Stop that! It's cruel. You're not the same. You don't touch me. You don't let me touch you. And I thought that you were gonna get better, and you're not getting.
No, I am better, Robin. I am. I'm in remission.
That's not the point. I want you to see me. Not like the mother of our son, not like a roommate. Stop treating me like I just live in this house and just help you pay the rent.
Okay, how do you want to be treated?
I don't know. I want you to treat me like treat the babysitter.
What are you talking? I don't have any thoughts about her like that.
No, I'm not saying.
I mean,
I'm not,
she's 16.
I'm
What
not
kind of
accusing
person do
you. I'm not saying that you were doing that.
Okay.
I want you to want me the way you used to.
That's going back into the past, sweetheart. I'm not the same, and you can't make it what it was. You can't just wave your magic wand and poof, we're back there where we were.
I know that.
Oh, do you, Robin? Okay. I'm 55 years old. I've got a toddler and a wife. I've just survived 2 rounds of chemo and surgery, and I am just fucking tired. Seems pretty pointless, all this in this moment in time, but if you want me to treat you like some teeny bopper babysitter and when you're my wife, I mean, fine, that just seems pretty stupid to me. You want me to put on a show? You want me to make it feel like it's the old days? That's all it's going to be, darling. It's just going to be a show. It's just going to be a fake parade.
Fine. Do the show. I want to see it.
I am not your servant! And you can't make me do that. You can't make me into fucking submission. You can't do that to me.
I'm sorry you did that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stop.
Tea's ready.